the #1 method to help support a healthy prostate. Hello, my name is Sam Morgan. And what I have to share with you today is actually something that may help with a very embarrassing problem men are told they have to get used to. Frequent bladder issue. This doesn't have to be a young man's game, so if you ever thought to yourself that you should settle for this, trust me, this is the last thing you'd want to do. Because after many years of personal trials and experiments, I believe that I have finally discovered a special blend of ingredients which may help anyone support healthy prostate. The following formula is calculated and adjusted to give the best possible results when it comes to help maintaining the good health of your prostate. Let me explain. We source the ingredients from the purest locations. And after testing more than 144 organic ingredients, we have chosen these top 3 ingredients. Saw palmetto berries, the sworn enemy of DHT according to a study conducted by the University of Michigan Health System. Gray viola leaf. And the unique Japanese mushroom trio, maitake, reishi and shiitake, which were proven to have incredible health properties by one study in the Journal of Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity. We also added cat's claw and tomato fruit powder to further help and support the good functioning of your prostate. But this is not all, as the formula is even more stronger and powerful, thanks to many other unique ingredients. According to one paper in the Life Extension Foundation, Pyjam africanum bark works wonders because it supports a healthy inflammatory response, while cat's claw and tomato fruit powder are also good at supporting a healthy immune system. The natural green tea contained by this formula, and the broccoli leaf extracts are also powerful ingredients. The Journal of Synthetic Chemistry confirms that broccoli leaf extracts have extremely powerful and valuable nutrients, ones that are required for the good health of the prostate. We also added selenium, vitamin E and vitamin B6 to further support you. Better support means better health. And last but not least, we added zinc, copper and plant sterol complex to help you enhance the support of your prostate even more. Zinc and copper are absolutely essential to your prostate's health. But even getting that much daily zinc would mean you have a seafood-rich platter for dinner every single night for the rest of your life. And most likely, if you're not a rich penguin, you'll neither enjoy nor afford that. So that's why supplementing is the key. We've called this unique natural formula Vital Flow, to help you easily navigate a BPH-free life and avoid being just another statistic. Now, I imagine you're probably wondering how you can get your hands on Vital Flow for yourself along with how often you need to take it for best results. Remember, you can support your prostate from the urge to go all the time, inability to empty the bladder, and sleepless nights. What would that be worth to you? Would it be worth $147? Because that's what it would cost you to buy each individual ingredient on its own, and by choosing Vital Flow you could spare yourself from forking loads of money on expensive and exotic groceries that you might not even like to eat. Of course, you could restrict your diet like crazy and turn into one of those self-hating cultish people who can never again eat anything they want to, spending all your money in Whole Foods for overpriced organic ingredients that you dread eating for every meal only to get no relief. Now, considering your options, $147 should seem like a steal to you, which honestly I think is extremely fair. It's less than what you'd pay for fancy exotic groceries that you don't even like eating. Plus, considering that it takes our manufacturing facility 3 whole months to source and produce just a single batch of Vital Flow, and that each capsule contains the purest and most bioavailable form of these prostate-supporting power foods in existence, $147 really is a bargain. But even so, I decided to do something never before seen. I'm offering Vital Flow to the public for the first time through a special Steal Prostate campaign. And why, if you act right now and make the life-changing decision to join the more than 1,764 men before you, you can get your hands on Vital Flow for just $69 per bottle. And the good news keep on coming. With a discounted packaged plan that's only available today, where you can get 6 bottles of Vital Flow for only $49 per bottle, or $1.63 per day. This special discounted package is only being offered to you today through this website as part of my awareness campaign and only while supplies last. Plus you'll also get free shipping today, which is a $9.99 value. So click the 6-bottle package or any other package you choose below this video right now to secure your order. This is truly one of the most important investments that you'll ever make in your health and well-being. Just click the 6-bottle package or any package you choose below this video right now to start your order. You'll then go to the secure checkout page where you'll enter your order details, and within just 5 business days from now, you'll receive Vital Flow right to your front door in discreet packaging, so no one will have any idea what's in the package. So go ahead and select your package of Vital Flow while there are still bottles in stock. This should be an absolute no-brainer because you're also covered by my 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. Right now, you can get Vital Flow for just $69 per bottle, and for even less than that if you get my popular 3 and 6 bottle packages. It's your decision, but this is your last chance. Thank you so much for watching and God bless. Sincerely, Sam Morgan.